Yes, hello, hello. I'm Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I literally just got off the ferry and just arrived back to Athens, checking into a different hostel than the last one I was in. I wanted to change it up. I was in Athens and was in Athens for 2 days incoming. And then I went to Mykonos and then back to Athens and then I fly back to Spain. And I wanted to stay at 2 different hostels to compare the two and see which vibes are more me. And already just checking in and looking around the hostel, this one feels a bit more my vibe. So let me show you around. I just got my key, just got into the room. It's just before 2 p.m. 2 p.m. is the check-in time, but the room is ready, so they're able to get me in, and I love it. Great location. It's near the Acropolis. It's in the center of Athens, and they have a rooftop. They also have a breakfast. It's not included, but for extra price you can. They have a bar downstairs, and in the summertime I believe they have a bar on the rooftop too, but right now since it's winter, it's January, it's closed. So let me show you the room. I'm staying in a 6 or 8 bed female room, woman's room. This right here, I'm on the balcony, the little balcony area. So this is just outside the hostel bedroom door. Alright, let's go in. So we got 2 beds here, or 4 beds here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The lockers. Other beds here. Here is the bathroom, the toilet. We got the toilet, the sink. Okay, so this is an 8 bed. And this one is me right here. Your key locks and unlocks your lock, so that's cool. You don't have to worry about having your own lock. Great storage space. There's lots of space in here. And this is my bed. Got the linens. It's like a little capsule. Got the essential light right here. Outlets. They provide you with some earplugs in case you need to tune out all the noise. And then right here, we have the shower room. Shower there. And another thing is that your little capsule, you have this right here. You can put your blinds down whenever you feel. So that is what the dorm looks like, the room. Now let me show you the rest of the place. Let's go to the rooftop first and see what the rooftop is like, and then I'll go down to the bottom, down to the very bottom, and then I'll go back up this way. Let's go. So my room is on the 1st floor. Okay, looks like 5 is top floor. Got some bathrooms if needed. Okay, spiral staircase, go off. Yo! I already see the views. Just keep going up and up and up. And oh my gosh, they've got a great view of the Acropolis right there. This is around the neighborhood. Maybe another monument up that way. Okay, I like the setup. So this would be the bar in the summer when it's open. Got this little raised part up here. So that's the rooftop. I think the best view is on the other side. So I'm staying in this hostel for one night. I booked this through the Chase portal. I used my points, so it was basically free. I think maybe it was roughly $20 a night. I really enjoy staying in hostels and just like seeing the vibes. I equally like to stay in hotels and Airbnbs, but when I am feeling social, even when I'm not feeling social, it's still a vibe to go to a hostel. You may meet people, you may not meet people, but I think hostels really foster a community vibe and bringing other travelers together who are open and are wanting to share about their life and talk about their experiences. If you haven't stayed in a hostel, I recommend you try one, check it out. Definitely read the reviews, look at the pictures, see the vibes, see if they're your vibes. Hostels range from the price has a range. I stayed in hostels in Thailand for cheap $10 a night, and there's even some that were cheaper than that, and of course it just goes up from there. I'm sure in some places once I was in Paris and one night was maybe almost $100. So the price ranges, depends on the city, depends on location, depends on what you're hoping to get out of it. If you stay at a more luxury hostel, of course the price could be a bit more. The sun is peeking out. Just really enjoying these vibes. I'm a solo traveler, a solo woman traveler who's traveling around. Most of the times, I'd say majority of the times, I have felt very safe in hostels. My first option is to stay in a women's room. If I have to, then I will stay in a mixed room. Even if you have like another traveler friend with you, then a mixed dorm is fine as well. As a woman, I just feel safer booking in only women dorms, but I have stayed in some mixed dorms and I haven't had any issues. I haven't had any problems with anybody else staying there. Alright, so that's the rooftop. Let's go all the way down to the first floor, and then I'll show you the first floor, and then I'll show you the second floor, which I'll show you the ground floor, and then the like second-ish floor. I'm on the first floor, which is above that floor, so maybe like a half floor. It's the kitchen. Alright, so let's go check it out. Pretty good. I got orange cheese, but these probably aren't edible. They're probably really bitter. Some of the orange cheese in Spain are the same. Alright, let's go. outside. Gotta get my key. Okay, got the key. Got the key. Scan in. Oh, it's daytime, so it's already open. So this is reception area. Here, there's tons of brochures for information. Reception area here is where you check in. We have a bar here. You can sit down, you can order some food. Lots of breakfast options and sandwiches. So this is the kitchen. We'll go here next. Really chill vibes here. Alright, now we go up to the kitchen. Little seating area. A little peek down. This is the kitchen area. They've got some games here. Fridge. In any hostel fridge, you need to label, put your name, put your checkout date to make sure it doesn't get thrown out. Utensils, towels, straws, stove, oven, the dishwasher, a sink, microwave, coffee and tea. I've got a sandwich press, coffee, tea. So those are the vibes of this hostel. I'm really rocking with it. Next time you're in Athens, come check them out. Mosaikon Hostel. Come check it out. Come see the vibes for yourself. Chill on the rooftop. Look at the Acropolis. Thank you so much for joining me on today's hostel tour in Athens, Greece. I appreciate all the love and support. If you liked anything in this video, please give it a thumbs up, a like, a share, a comment, a subscribe. Let me know what you think. Do you have any comments about this hostel? What are some things that you like about it? If you wanted to rent a towel, you can. Just some other services that I was thinking about that just popped into my head. So yeah, come check it out next time you're in Athens. Again, thanks for joining me. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Until next time, peace, love, good vibes, and I'll see you on my next adventure.